Welcome. Today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should unlock your device, and now just go to the settings application. Here just scroll down to the security and lock screen and scroll down a little bit to the SIM card lock section. Now just here, as can you see, our lock SIM card switcher is activated. Just to remove SIM pin, tap once here on the switcher and type your currently password. And now just tap to OK. And as can you see, our SIM pin removed successfully from our SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.